Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make a shrimp and surimi terrine. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 bag of peeled red shrimp, 500 grams Grand Krust, 300 grams of surimi sticks, 1 liter of cooking cream, 4 eggs, cabbage leaves, 200 grams of piquillo peppers, salt, white pepper, nutmeg, 1 clove of garlic, parsley, and olive oil. To begin, remove the stalks from the cabbage leaves. Boil the leaves in a pot of salted water for 10 minutes. When they're ready, drain them and let them cool. Next, heat a splash of oil in a pan. Sauté the shrimp, season them, and set them aside. Line a baking dish with the cabbage leaves and cover the bottom with the surimi sticks. Chop up the rest of the surimi and set aside. Next, beat half of the cream with the eggs. Add the shrimp, the chopped surimi, salt, pepper, and a little nutmeg. Pour the mixture into the dish to cover the cabbage leaves. Then use aluminium foil to cover the baking dish. Place the dish in a bain-marie and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. While the terrine is baking, put the remaining cream and the piquillos in a saucepan and heat until it begins to boil. Season to taste. Blend and set aside. Next, put the garlic and some parsley in a blender with a splash of olive oil. Blend it well. After 45 minutes, remove the terrine from the oven and then remove the terrine from the baking dish. All that's left is to put some red pepper sauce on a plate, add a bit of terrine, and decorate with some drops of garlic and parsley oil. You can serve the dish warm or cold, depending on the time of the year. Enjoy!